Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing your browser so Lens is ready to use. Install the Google Lens extension, sign into Chrome with the account you use for images, and pin the Lens icon to the toolbar. Once done, open a web page with the image you want to analyze and click the pinned icon. Make sure to grant any required permissions, camera or clipboard, so Lens can access content. This gets you past setup and into the first actionable step, selecting an image to analyze immediately. Now capture and refine the region you need. Click the Lens icon, then drag to select an area, or right-click an image and choose Lens. Either method works. Use the crop handles to tighten the selection and zoom in for small text so OCR accuracy improves. Next, pick a mode: text to copy, translate to convert language, shopping for product results, or search for visual matches. Once chosen, Lens processes the area. Make sure to wait for indications that results are complete before acting. Finish by extracting and acting on results. Copy detected text, tap a URL or product card to open details, or use Translate to switch languages. Adjust source and target if detection is off. For multi-step tasks, paste copied text into a doc or search results into a new tab. If Lens fails, reload the page and retry the selection. Confirm the extension has camera/clipboard permissions, or disable conflicting extensions. These steps complete the task and get you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.